Guys, hello guys. This is a grow garden video. First, let's look at this. Let's look at this. What is stuck? The next update. And there's a for the next update. I'll give you guys. Okay. Cactus seed. Guys, someone leave. Once a cactus, I'll give them cactus. A cactus, or I forgot. An ember. Frozen ember. Where ember? Real. It's for real. So big, guys. Don't.
Apa? Tak ingat.
Guys, now.
Itu kan itu.
I'll just if you don't want it,
Ay, hindi ko pa yan.
Yes. You want a black bunny, I'll give them, and a gray mouse, and this need a raccoon. This is a raccoon for the red box. And guys, just be good. And let's look at the cosmetics. This is the ember. I need to get the blue. Ember blue.
Dami na naman, Papa.
Gears Quest. Now guys, say bye. Bye. No, bye. Not working. Bye.